there, I'm Danielle Hodges with Follow the Leader Dog Training, and I'm here with Jamie, a cute little Scottish Terrier, and we're going to talk about crate training today. So crate training is something you want to start really early to get them used to it often, and you want to start slowly and build a little bit at a time. So we use the crate for anything that you need. If you want to have a shower, if you want to wash the dishes, and it can really help with house training. You want to make sure that for the first couple of days, all you do is you put a couple of treats in there. The dog doesn't have to do anything. They just might wander in there and find them. And you make sure that the door is always open. The puppy may want to go in the crate. He might not want to go in the crate. There's no pressure. The important part that this is a place that he really wants to hang out. If you rush it and you start forcing your puppy in there, you're going to undo the whole process. Then when you actually begin introducing your puppy to the crate, you just take a treat, throw it inside. Oh, good boy, what's in there? Then when he decides to come out, good boy, hello, you throw another one back in. Yay, he says, this is the best place I've ever seen. Then once you can see that he's really, really comfortable, you can start feeding him while he stays in there. So as long as he's in this crate, I'm going to keep giving him treats. Once you see he's a little more comfortable with this stage, try closing the door just for a quick second. And then open the door and let him out. Good boy. If you can see he's comfortable, then you can start feeding him treats through the door. You're doing a good job. So you always want to open that door and let them out before they show any signs of anxiety. So this might take a week, it might take a couple weeks, it depends on the dog. If your puppy is really treat motivated, your puppy is going to be going, let me in there, let me in that crate. That's what we want to do. We want to build value with the inside of the crate, so it's an extra special place to be. When I can see he's really just going for it and just raring to get in there, then I'll open the door. And that's it. Try it out with your pup at home and let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. Hit subscribe for more dog training tips, and we'll see you on the next video. Let's go, buddy.